Hello friends, in this video I will cover how to set up Ruby on Rails with PostgresQL on Ubuntu 24.04. So installing Ruby with RVM, set up Postgres for database, initializing new Rails app and complete setup. Why PostgreSQL more powerful than SQLite? SQLite is default database when you initialize any Rails application with the Rails new app name. So if you check database.yml, you will find that there is a default database which is SQLite, which is not good practice to keep the SQLite as a database, and it will not be used in the production and not having the better performance. Instead of that, you have to use one professional PostgreSQL or MySQL. Installing RVM I already cover in one of video. Will provide URL in the video description. Let me walk you through quick installation overview so you will get the idea. So just search on the Google RVM install and click on the first website. Here you have to just run first command, gpg import command, and second is just this curl command to install RVM only, and then check like do RVM list. If you find something like rvm is not command, so just put where is rvm and put the command source and copy this path and restart your terminal. And before that, very first I recommend you to just do preference unnamed and command enable this option, close it, close terminal and reopen your terminal. Okay, so we have two version of the Ruby, 3.1.3 and 3.4.5. I already have this. Let's move forward. Installing Postgres. For installing Postgres, these are the command you can run on your terminal. Let me show you how you can do that. I already copied this all. Let me run one by one. This is update already I run, so it will run quickly. Yeah, enable Postgres, start your Postgres, and then you have to set up your username or password. So let's say we'll provide the username as new user. So new user has been created. Let's set up password for the new user. Remember your username is new user, whatever you have provided here. So let me change the password for that. New user. So I am providing ruby as a password. Ruby as a password. Exit. Let's install now. So now we have to set up the rails. So before setting the rails, we should install the git. So that is best practice, so we will not get any error while initializing the app. Okay, now let's switch to the our Ruby version, rvm list. I'm on default this one. Let me switch to this one, rvm use this. Now I'm switched to this one, and then install the rails gem install rails. It will install the rails. We will initialize the rails application. So rails new myapp -d means the database which we want to provide. Like default is SQLite if you not provide. So let's do that as well. Yeah, it has been installed. Now let's initialize the new rails application. So the command is rails new myapp. If we do not provide the -d, it will set up for the default SQLite. So -d with the uh, database name. So instead of Postgres, I can also provide the MySQL, but for that we should have installed MySQL in our system. But for now, let's go with the PostgreSQL. Okay, now it's installed. Let's open it in the code. Let's change directory my app, open in editor. Sorry, code dot. Okay, open the database.yml. In that we have to provide the configuration, the password and username which we have set. So I already have copy command and paste it. Let me. Host is localhost, that is correct. The username is new user. I think password is the Ruby which we have set. Let's run Rails DB create to check whether it is working or not, and it's working fine. The database already exists, so that's why it's saying already exist. And we can do Rails as to check. Rails s. Okay. Localhost 3000. Localhost 3000. It's running. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. We will meet in next video.